People think it's black magic
How is numbers connected with the universe?
because they don't understand what the other person is doing.
This is like some kind of mental illness, or does it happen because of spirituality, or did it actually occur?
So it's amethyst, selenite, and rhodonite. And this is a bracelet. It has 3 different crystals again.
ये सब तो these are for the spoiled kids, and these are for to get out of your life, ruin your life. Basically, people do that and get addicted to this.
It's when a person doesn't want anything or doesn't desire anything in life and just wants to be detached from everyone, just focus on himself, focus on, making your body balanced, making your chakras balanced.
I don't need anyone. Okay, I'll walk in my own path. I don't need any kind of relations, or
Yeah.
I don't have to take care of anyone. I'm not responsible of anything, and go to mountains, Himalayas,
Yes,
and
yes.
everything.
All the past traumas that you have, all the emotional traumas that are there.
I have a lot.
Yeah, you can use crystals to heal them.
According to the reports, in India there was a spike in 1970s. Hippie culture,
Yes,
as we've
yes,
seen in the
true.
movies. What is spirituality? What is spirituality?
So, spirituality is basically tuning your body, your mind, and your soul to become one.
Body, mind, and soul.
Yeah.
One.
3 different things. You are balancing it in your body.
Okay.
That's when you know you have reached the highest spiritual
Spiritual.
level.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's basically a union of your mind, body, and soul.
Sounds like a romantic dialogue. कि हम एक हो रहे हैं.
It's too deep though.
Yeah.
It's not romantic, it's very deep.
Yeah, your
Yeah.
mind, body, soul. एक हो
Yeah,
रहा है.
trust me, it really feels at peace when you have everything in harmony.
So does spiritual gives you more peace in life, or it makes you weird in front of people?
Of course, it gives you peace because you're in control of everything. You're in
Everything.
control of your body, you're in control of your mind, you're in
Okay.
control of your soul. So you will feel very happy, you'll feel very blissful, and it's very hard to achieve
Okay.
because in this generation, people have their life, they're busy. People don't find time to meditate. People don't give much time, to heal themselves. So that's the case.
Personally, for you, did you used to follow any kind of spiritual, what do you say, routine, even before you got into this? Let's just say from childhood, were you into meditation, or
Not really.
okay,
I mean, I've seen my grandparents do yoga and everything, but I was not really into it.
Okay.
So when I started using crystals and everything, I started seeing signs from the universe that this is right for me, that this is working for me.
Okay.
That's when, I started my spiritual journey.
Spiritual.
Yeah.
So what about the angel numbers and all these things?
Yeah, angel numbers also, they are again a part
Number.
of
How is
spirituality.
numbers connected with the universe? I want
It's,
to know.
because everything is consisting of numbers basically.
Okay.
If you know computer coding, everything,
Yeah.
it's numbers. The universe is just made of numbers, so basically it's the universe sending you a sign
Like
that you're going in the right path, or listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling, or something good is going to happen. So each and every number, angel number, has a different meaning.
okay. Like, can you give a few examples?
So I have 444 tattooed on me.
Okay.
So 444 basically means that I'm protected divinely
From.
from
Okay.
negative energy. Yeah.
Okay.
So basically the universe is protecting me from negative energy. So yeah.
So you're well protected
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah. So you're safe with me.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah.
So I usually get this thing a lot. 11 11.
Yeah, 11.
I almost see it every day.
Yeah, so basically 11.
Maybe one of the reasons is I stay on my phone a lot. Maybe that's the reason.
Not really, but do you just see it on your phone or just randomly?
No, only
anywhere?
phone.
Only
The
phone.
only thing I watch a lot is my phone.
Okay, so it's a sign from the universe as well. But it's just not that you have to see it on your phone. I see the angel numbers everywhere around me.
Like, wait, matlab?
Like if I'm going on the road and I see a number plate and there's a angel number right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can it be, just a mere coincidence?
How? Like what
It's
coincidence? Like,
just maybe the number plate had 444 in there.
but why am I saying it?
Okay, that's
Yeah.
a very deep question.
Yeah,
to-
exactly.
That's the area I want to explore more.
Yeah.
So I wasn't much of a spiritual person, but last year I have been through a lot. So I got into meditation, which a
Okay.
lot of people don't know. Every day I just wake up, I just lock my door. I'm very shy to tell thing I'm meditating because it's completely opposite of my character.
Yeah.
So I meditate for a while, but it did help me to become much more calmer
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
I do meditate every day for like
Yeah.
5 minutes at max. After that, my back hurts. So, so I do for 5 minutes or 6 minutes. I did see a lot of changes in me.
Exactly.
Like I wouldn't say that मैंने अभी साधु बन चुका हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. I have become much more calmer and
Yeah,
you know
exactly. You can
it
see
did
subtle
help.
changes in
Subtle
your
changes,
life.
yeah, it was.
Yeah,
It's not subtle for me, it was major changes for me.
Then that's really good.
Yeah, all the people were like, yeah, you're so calmer
Yeah.
now, you know, you don't react much.
Yeah.
It's
That's
like,
why, people need to get educated about all
yeah,
this.
it did help me a lot. And also, it will help you to get into self introspection a lot.
That's true.
I felt like when you're meditating, you go into certain place where your life scenes are playing in some kind of like a movie. I feel like for me,
Okay.
when you're deep meditating, whatever is bugging you the most,
Yeah.
those things just display in front of me.
Yeah, you get in control with your thoughts.
Yeah.
With your mind.
Not control with me. That too I don't
With-
have.
That's the main reason why people meditate to,
Oh, is it?
get in control with your thoughts, because thoughts are everything.
Everything.
So basically, spirituality is just balancing your mind, body, and your soul.
Okay.
So when your mind, body, and your soul are in harmony, that's when you experience spiritual awakening. And it's
Okay.
not that easy to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like body soul ek ho raha hai. ऐसा.
हाँ,
That
body,
romantic
mind, and
dialogue kind
soul.
of thing.
Not romantic. It's too deep.
It's too deep.
Yeah.
Okay. Both the same thing.
No.
All right, I'm just messing.
Yeah.
So coming to healing, what is healing, spirituality, crystals? How are everything related?
Basically, crystals again contain some energy,
Hmm.
which are tuned in with
You
the.
have few here.
Yeah, there are a few here.
मैंने बस props के लिए रखा है.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
So it's for the positive energy.
Okay.
So our
Can you
podcast
explain
will
what
go
are
well,
they?
That's why. So it's amethyst,
Okay.
selenite, and rhodonite. And
Okay.
this is a bracelet. It has 3 different crystals again.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does it do? Like
So-
characteristics.
Yeah, crystals have energy,
Okay.
and you need to tune in to your body's frequency to use them. That's how healing is done.
Okay.
So they remove all the negative energy, all the past traumas that you have, all the emotional traumas that are there.
I have a lot.
Yeah, you can use crystals to heal them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to buy a bundle then.
Yeah, you need to. You can buy a huge crystal and place it in your house.
You are the pitching for your sales. Yeah, I'm just messing again. So let me get into much more serious topics. So people get into healing and everything.
Yeah.
So what about the frequencies? होता क्या है frequencies है?
Yeah, frequencies are there in nature. They're everywhere.
Okay.
Different types of wavelengths, different types of frequencies.
Mhm.
So frequencies are nothing but vibrations. Right.
Okay.
You can see, like, when you play loud music, the table is shaking.
हाँ,
It's
हाँ.
vibration again.
You get the different feel also when you're playing, low frequency songs or ऐसा
Yeah,
कुछ.
exactly. It's all about vibrations.
Okay.
So universe is basically, it's consisting of vibrations. So there are low vibrations and high
High
vibrations.
vibrations.
So low vibrations are like when you go beside a person, you feel the person is very negative, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
that's when
It
the
happens
person
a
is,
lot with me.
yeah, that's when the person is vibrating on a lower level.
Mhm.
It's like when the person is sad, or when the person is feeling guilt, or when the person is feeling angry. Those all are low vibrational states.
Okay.
So that's when you know the person is very negative.
Okay.
So let's come to high vibrational states, which is happiness, confidence, love, enlightenment. The last highest frequency is enlightenment. That's when you're in harmony with your mind, body, and soul.
Okay. I guess I don't have higher frequency.
No one does actually.
Okay.
You need to build that. You need to, work on yourself to, vibrate on a higher level. So it's
Okay,
a process again.
So people usually say like connecting with universe,
Yes,
nature.
yes, yes.
So how does it happen?
Um, it's super simple.
Okay.
You just get signs from the universe. Like when you're doing something which you
Hmm.
love, or which you really believe in, you will
Hmm.
succeed in that.
Yes,
That's
yes.
because you're vibrating, you're confident, you're vibrating on a higher level. Then the
Yeah.
universe will give you whatever you want because you're happy. If
Hmm.
you're constantly saying negative stuff like I can't do this, I
Yeah,
am
yeah.
sad, I'm depressed, that's gonna happen in your life, obviously.
Yeah,
Universe is
exactly.
gonna give you that.
Yeah,
So what you
this
focus on will grow.
this
Yeah.
actually is something where I can resonate
Yeah.
a lot with,
Mm-hmm.
because I have been told कि तू just for the sake of jokes you self
Mm-hmm.
roast a lot. I do
Mm-hmm.
that a
Yeah.
lot.
You
So
yeah,
a lot of people don't do that. The universe has a way
exactly.
of
Yeah.
giving what you speak.
Exactly.
So somehow I stopped
Yeah.
self roasting myself,
Yeah.
but I can't help my habit. Just
It's
trying
basic.
to be funny.
I mean, yeah, you
Yeah.
can be funny, but what you keep saying constantly, you will become that.
Hmm.
So if you keep constantly saying that I can't get this job,
Hmm.
I'm not fit for this anymore,
Hmm.
then that's gonna happen
So
to
how
you.
is it interlinked with
Yeah, that's what is connecting with the universe, right?
Oh.
When you connect with the universe, when your intentions are good, when you believe in
Hmm.
yourself, when your thoughts are right, when your thoughts are positive, the universe is gonna give you positive things.
Hmm.